Hello, I'm Alexis Toledano, and I'm on a mission to create a stable and safe haven for my family from whom I am currently separated. My life's journey has been marked by harrowing tales of resilience in the face of extreme physical and emotional turmoil inflicted upon me by my own father. The horrors I've endured include a relentless cycle of physical violence, confinement, and unceasing conflict. My mother and I stood as unwavering protectors, shielding my younger siblings from the horrors that plagued our home. March 12, 2022 marks the day that ignited our daring escape from the clutches of an abusive nightmare. Fueled by unwavering determination, we broke free from the suffocating grip of our home, knowing that danger was hot on our heels as he pursued us in his vehicle. Our relentless resolve led us to a neighbor, a guardian angel in that moment, who placed a lifeline in our hands, a cell phone to dial 911. They took charge, guiding us as we hastily packed our essentials. With unwavering support, they led us to a shelter designed for women facing the horrors of abuse, where our stay stretched over several grueling months as financial resources vanished before our eyes. The trauma I endured left its cruel mark on my relationship with food. He forced me to overeat until I couldn't consume another bite, only to let me go hungry at other times. Exhausted and emotionally torn, all I longed for is peace and the chance to be reunited with my mother and siblings. Your donations will enable me to secure a safe haven, put food on the table, and provide for my siblings. Together, we can rescue them from the clutches of that monster and offer them a chance at a brighter future. I extend my heartfelt gratitude, and may God bless you abundantly for your kindness and compassion. Empower our journey, rebuilding lives and breaking chains. Join us in making a difference today. Thank you for your support.